Struggling with managing complex data and inefficient REST APIs? Learn how to streamline data management and optimize your workflow with GraphQL. Let's make it simple. GraphQL solves data woes. Define precise needs in a single query, eliminating over-under fetching for optimal data retrieval. Here's how GraphQL simplifies data management. Simplifying data fetching with GraphQL. GraphQL allows developers to fetch exactly the data they need in a single request, eliminating the need to manage multiple REST endpoints. Precise data requests. Specify the exact fields and relationships you need in a single query. Optimized data fetching. Eliminate unnecessary data transfer and improve overall performance. Structured responses. Receive well-defined responses that align perfectly with your application logic. Enhance your MERNstack development with GraphQL. Integrate it today for a more efficient and powerful data layer, leading to increased developer productivity and exceptional applications. Don't miss out our future tips and tricks. Subscribe to 𝐑𝐄𝐒 AI now.